In this video, we'll look at adding, removing, and editing data in a database table in Microsoft Access. So we're once again in Datasheet view, and we can see the table here. And to edit data, you simply click on the cell or field that you're interested in, and you can simply type in the data that you want to change and press enter to go to the next field. And you can see this little pencil icon indicating that we are editing this record. Some fields might have drop-down lists or date pickers and so on and so forth, or some might be tick boxes and so on, and some might only accept numbers or only accept letters and so on, but those are different settings that the fields can have, and we'll have a look at those in a future video as well. To delete a record, you simply right-click on the little gray box on the left-hand side of the record, and you can choose delete. Access does give you a warning because there's no undo for deleting items from a table. So you have to be sure. You can click on yes, and then it's gone. You notice there's no undo. Undo is grayed out. And finally, if we want to add data to the table, we can, so here there's a new record option there, or we can simply scroll all the way to the bottom, or if it's quite long, we can use the arrows, the navigation arrows at the bottom here, and the last little arrow with a yellow star is the new record, and it will add it here. So we can simply type in the information and tab between all of them, each field, and add them, and eventually when you get to the end, you'll have added a new record. And this first column has automatically assigned the next number available, because it's an auto number field, which again we'll look at in a future video. So that's a quick overview of adding and removing data into the database table. And although it's added at the end here, if we sorted this in some other way, perhaps by first name, then presumably Stacy would be somewhere in the middle. There she is.